Good day! I am Dr. Elimar A. Pascual, Master Teacher 2 from Talangan Integrated National High School under the Department of Education. Today, I am honored to present my action research entitled Fostering Academic Motivation of Senior High School Learners Through Weekly Written Note Ticket Reflections. Learner motivation plays a critical role in academic success. However, many senior high school learners struggle to sustain motivation, especially at the beginning of the school year. This study responds to that challenge by introducing a simple yet meaningful intervention that strengthens both academic engagement and emotional connection. This study is anchored on DepEd Order No. 8 Series of 2015 on Learner-Centered Assessment, DepEd Order No. 31 Series of 2019 on Advisory Support. It is also aligned with the United Nations Sustainable Development Goal for Quality Education, which promotes inclusive and supportive learning environments. This study aimed to answer the following. What is the motivation level of learners before and after the intervention? Is there a significant difference? How do learners perceive the intervention? What is their academic performance? Is there a difference compared to the general grade 11 population? The innovation introduced is the weekly written note ticket reflection. Every Monday, learners submit a handwritten note expressing thoughts, feelings, experiences, concerns, or gratitude. The teacher responds personally and returns the note by Friday. The intervention aims to strengthen teacher-student connection, provide a safe space for expression, enhance motivation and engagement, improve study habits and academic performance. It integrates both academic and social-emotional support. This study used a mixed methods design. Participants were 27 grade 11 STEM learners. Data collected include pre- and post-survey on motivation, academic performance records, and focus group discussions. Before the intervention, the mean motivation score is 3.56. This indicates that learners had a moderate level of motivation. They had the desire to succeed, but consistency in effort needed improvement. After the intervention, the mean motivation score increased to 4.49. This reflects a high level of motivation. Learners became more engaged, responsible, and consistent in their academic tasks. Statistical analysis revealed that the t-value is 15.10. The p-value is less than 0.001. The effect size using Cohen's d is 2.91. This indicates a very large and significant improvement in motivation. The grade 11 STEM learners achieved the mean grade of 90.89, and this is a very consistent performance. This shows strong academic achievement during the intervention. The overall grade 11 mean was 85.64. Statistical tests showed that there is a significant difference, with a large effect size of Cohen's d equal to 1.36. This means that the STEM learners outperformed their peers. Learners emphasized personalized feedback, feeling valued and understood, trust and confidentiality. The intervention strengthened meaningful relationships. Students shared that writing became a safe space. They experienced emotional relief. They expressed thoughts they could not say aloud, and this supported their well-being. Learners developed stronger academic drive, increased confidence, and willingness to face challenges. They became more responsible for their learning. Students developed self-awareness and reflective habits, appreciation for small but meaningful feedback. Indeed, a simple index card created big impact. The study concludes that the written note ticket intervention significantly improves academic motivation, emotional well-being, and academic performance. It is a low-cost but high-impact strategy for teaching. The study recommends teachers adopt reflective feedback practices. Schools provide training on motivational strategies, integration of reflective activities in curriculum, and strengthening advisory and support systems. As a teacher researcher, I realized that small acts of empathy and communication can create powerful change. Education is not only about instruction, but also about connection, trust, and encouragement. Thank you very much for watching. Once again, I am Dr. Elimar A. Paspol from Talangan Integrated National High School, Laguna, Philippines. May we continue fostering motivated, resilient, and empowered learners. To God be all the glory. Have a wonderful day.